Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to make a pop-up on Wix website. So the first step is to open to the dashboard of your Wix website, and then you have to simply click on add elements, and then you have to go to interactive, and then you have to choose one of these light boxes as your pop-up. Then simply click on it, and here you can design this. You can add the images, you can change text, you can add buttons if you want. I'm not gonna go through the design process, but after you've designed your pop-up, you'll have to simply select the lightbox and then click on the settings button. And then what you'll have to do is simply click on yes here, where it says automatically display lightbox on pages. And then here you'll have to choose which pages is it on. So this means on which pages you want this pop-up to appear. So you can choose multiple if you want, and basically that's all. So don't forget to publish after you've made your changes, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.